Kerry Coleman. I'm the bartender here at Red Square, Las Vegas, inside the Mandalay Bay on the famous Las Vegas Strip. Today we're going to learn how to make a vodka lemon drop. I'd like to start off with a scoop of ice. Today I'm going to use Kettle Citron, nice citrus flavored vodka. We're going to do 2 ounce pour of that. We add sour mix, which is basically just sweet and sour. And get our martini glass. I like to rim this with a little sugar. Give that a couple of nice shakes. And get that nice and frothy. And if you'd like, you can garnish that with a little lemon wedge. Make it look nice. Alrighty, and there you have it. Lemon drop martini. Again, I'm Kerry Coleman here at Red Square, Las Vegas. Stop by sometime.